One of the things about CRM that can be a little frustrating is our inability to have it open in two windows at the same time. For instance, let's say I'm in this agreement here and I'm working on it, and I'd like to bounce back out to the account itself. Well, now that means I have to leave my agreement to go to the account, then come back in. But what I can do is I can leverage Google Chrome's incognito mode to actually run Chrome in two separate Google Chrome browsers. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm in my agreement, and this works from within any page within CRM. On my keyboard, I'm going to enter Control-Shift-N. And then you see that Chrome has launched this darker window with a little spy icon and says, "You've gone incognito." If you want to learn more about incognito mode, just do a search on Google for Chrome incognito mode, and you'll be able to find more information about it than you would ever want to know. But for my purposes now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Siebel CRM bookmark that I've got in my Chrome browser, or I could go and just grab the URL for CRM OpenUI, paste that in here, and then hit enter on the keyboard. Okay, so now I'm loaded into the new window. I can go to Accounts, paste in the SysID, go into the account itself, into the snapshot view. And once in, I'm able to browse and look at the account. And I can simply tab over to my other window, and there's the agreement I'm working on. So I can go back and forth between the account and the agreement. Now the one caveat, the one warning on this, don't use two windows to try to update the same thing simultaneously. That is, I wouldn't want to be in my agreement in this window and in the incognito window and try to make updates. That's just going to get confusing, and I could really end up maybe making a change in one and not seeing it in the other, thinking something's wrong, and just get confused. So what I would recommend doing is, if you're going to have two windows running, use one as your right window, the one that you're going to change information, say to an agreement or opportunity or whatever, and then you use your other window strictly as a reference, something that you use to like to view information. But that's what we can do. So again, we just launch CRM in the incognito window, log in, and then we can have it running in two separate windows at the same time.